Hi, it's Martin. As a designer, I love creating rooms for other people based on their style. In my personal life, I define my decorating style as a mix of global contemporary. I like furniture with clean lines and accessories with a global influence that give the home a world-traveled look. This is the reason why I love today's DIY project so much. I'm transforming this live edge wood slab into a coffee table. Exotic and modern, all in one. Materials needed are a live edge wood slab, 14-inch hairpin legs, screws, polyurethane sealer and paintbrush, high-speed sander and 120 medium grit sandpaper, a cordless drill, and a 36-inch glass top and clear bumpers are optional. It's called live edge because you can appreciate the natural edge of the tree in the design. The second question you're asking yourself is, well, where can I buy live edge wood like this? In my case, it was completely free, so the project came to me. One day, I noticed that city workers in my neighborhood were using a wood chipper machine to remove trees, and I simply asked if I can have some of the trunks and slabs, and they said yes. So that's how I got this one. If you're not as lucky, you can probably visit a lumberyard or a woodworker and ask them for possible resources. I hear that it can be quite expensive, so definitely do your research. I've had this slab in my backyard for a few years now, so the first step is to pressure wash the wood to remove any dirt and mildew. After the wood is completely dry, use a high-speed sander to smooth out the surface and any rough edges. Make sure you remove all the dust with a damp cloth when you're done. Prepping the slab was not as easy as I thought. I have to be honest, it took a lot of work, but it was necessary to achieve a beautiful finish in the end. Now we're ready for the next step. I'm using a clear polyurethane finish to seal the wood and enhance its natural beauty. I know it's milky white, but I promise you it's going to dry clear. Apply all over with a brush and let it fully dry. The polyurethane dries in about 30 to 45 minutes, so we are now ready to turn this wood slab into a coffee table. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and flip it over. It weighs. Careful with your fingers. Okay. I'm using hairpin legs because I love the combination of the wood with the black metal. This is a classic design dating back to the 1940s, so it works in many decorating styles from industrial to vintage. I'm securing one leg in each of the four corners, formed naturally into the shape of the wood. Super sturdy, let's turn it over. A standard height for a coffee table is between 16 to 18 inches, so take into account the thickness of your slab when choosing the legs. These are 14 inches and my wood slab is about 3.5 inches, so together it gives me the perfect coffee table height. That doesn't weigh much. Nothing at all. I'm in love. From outside in nature to a beautiful one-of-a-kind conversation piece in the home. You can certainly leave this as is. However, to make it even more of a statement piece, I'm placing a 36-inch round glass on top and using clear bumpers to prevent the glass from moving. It took the piece from rustic to refined. Every time I look at the piece, I feel super proud that I made that myself. With Mother Nature's help, of course. A coffee table that size can easily cost hundreds of dollars in retail, but I saved lots of money by recycling and reinventing. That's what creativity is all about. I'll see you soon.